Gracie,
What?
have you been eating chocolate?
No.
Why are you up and what's on your face?
Nothing.
What's that on by your lips?
It's my sparkly princess one.
It's your sparkly princess lip gloss?
Yeah.
It looks like you have chocolate on your face. You haven't been eating any candy?
No. I found that chocolate on the floor.
You found a chocolate on the floor?
Yeah.
And did you eat it?
It's yummy, that one.
Oh, so you did eat it?
It's yummy, that was yummy.
So did you eat it?
It was on the floor.
Gracie, what did you do with it when you picked it up? Look at Mommy. What did you do with it?
I picked it up.
And then what did you do with it?
And it's a yummy one.
Where did you put it? In your mouth? Where did you put the candy that you picked up? Did you put it in your mouth?
No.
No. Are you sure you didn't eat it?
No.
Because I see chocolate on your face. Did you eat the candy?
No. Let me see. And we'll get a picture and say cheese.